Hey folks, how's it going? I've made some new flasks, smaller than that one and a bit longer than that one with a shorter top. I didn't do a dado, so what we're supposed to be doing, these two faithfuls. Oh, faithful! I'm your faithful! I won't do, you'll have a go at me probably. I won't do the Range Rover badge, if you don't mind, Wayne. I'll do that. Bubbles, blisters. I'll do that on the next one. So you're going to put that upside down, like that. Decide what you want in there. I got this, which is a contract job. So that'll go in beautifully. Oh, I think I'll probably get two in there. And we got Wayne's in here, Wayne Ellis's, the Land Rover. I'll do that later. We got that. We got the Batman, or we got Transformers. So at the end, man, it's been attacked. So we'll do the Transformers one. Thank you, young lady. You are now on YouTube, known as Michelle. Let's have a feel of the sand. Oh, I feel still absolutely lovely. Look. Get out all my implements. And we'll start filling. But as you know, I like to fill every fucking crevice first. So let's get some. You've got to get in these little places. And we'll have a go. We'll have a drink, have a drive, go to see what we can find. So it's just generally, or generally was, what's his name's car? Right, I've only learned by watching videos. I'm not King Kong, the fucking best man on the planet. I don't ever say I'm the best at anything like some of them, but I will say I have a fucking go, right? And go for it. Yeah. They all say you should have an in. And you should have an out. I haven't got to that stage. Yeah. Right, that's it. Paw. Like me, really. I'm Paw. Nothing good will come out of this, I'm telling you now. It's pissing down. So I sat in my little shed here, but you know, is it? What do I smell
safe to pour when it's raining? Let me shut this off.
Oh, right, it's there, is it? This is the way we are doing it today. Now that's what you've got to stay with. I can produce you and as a writer for your material and make a few and write a few programs for you to design a few things, and you could actually do a German name.
This is for. Oh, where are you? You can't go around looking like that. There you are. Go. Right, turn that slightly. I'm home. I had to change. I was soaking wet right the way through. Everything about me was soaking wet. So we need to get to this. So how the fuck can I cut that? Alright, I suggest what you do this, Rob. Shove that in there for a starter. Look at the fucking mess here, man. And the fucking Chinese. They're all over the place. Look at it. It's alright, I can do Chinese puzzles. Snap the magic. Yeah, and you lives. And I'm going to shove it in there, in the lavy thing. And then we're just going to take a skim off the front of it. That's all it is. That's all I'm going to do. It's not rocket science we do here. Right, make sure you fucking clamp that in there. Yeah. There's nothing worse than having a lump of steel hit you around the side of the head. Sometimes I just wonder. Other times I just don't care. So, what are you doing up there? Do you? You need hands. See how I go slightly mad? I don't like that, but that's the way it goes. Spin it around once just to check it, you know what I mean? I'm telling you, if it hits you on the fucking head, it does tend to hurt a little bit. So just spin it around, check it, sneak in slowly, spin it around again, check it, and you know you're close. Nice, I like it. that's nice. We just got one pit there. The little pitter. That's it, folks, and thanks for watching. And this one is for somebody. I put what looks like skin. Well, that's what it's supposed to look like. All right. Optimus Prime. Looks like a sad pussycat. I gotta spray it black inside these and then re-skim it, and then it'll be done. And I'll see you soon. You know, you could drill an hole through there and turn it into a clock. Somebody. Full production. We made a quick little lever, and that was all the big pieces and junk. We're on to this is donation. More donation. Yeah, sure beats working for a living. We did it. I heard somebody say don't stir it. He was about a 10-year-old, you know what I mean? You're not supposed to stir it. If you stir it, it gives it air bubbles. Just showing you that I do read all the comments, and I do watch all the videos, you know.
Thank you!